The Bavaria SR36 leaves the harbor almost majestically. But once out on the open sea, she shows her full potential. 2 engines ensure the SR36 has enough power. The choices are yours. Either 2 V8 machines with 350 horsepower each, or 2 Volvo Penta diesel engines with 300 horsepower each. Or you go even higher with 2 Mercruiser engines, both featuring 355 horsepower. Whatever your choice, you can be reassured that safety comes first. With her dynamic hull and distinctive lines, the SR36 glides safely through the water and can even handle quick and tight turns. The driver has a 360-degree view and will not miss anything around. Bavaria has designed a truly magnificent motorboat that is modern, practical, functional and safe. But with the SR36, Bavaria has gone that one step further to make sure every detail is done to perfection. The SR36 is available with a hardtop and as the new Bavaria open-top version, combining the comfort of a hardtop with the sporty appeal and driving experience of an open yacht.